Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn on dark mode in Messenger. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you would need to go to Messenger. And then here, you would need to click on the menu icon at the bottom. And then go to Setting, click on Settings. And then click on dark mode. And if you want to turn this on, you can toggle this on. So for the system, it's basically Messenger will try to adjust the appearance based on the device system settings. So system is just basically the auto mode, but if you want to keep it on the dark mode all the way, then click on. And that is how you can turn on the dark mode in Messenger. Thank you.